The fountain of youth. You may be sitting on it. The fat from various parts of your body could be used to give you a younger-looking face. Here's Global's health specialist, Linda Boyle.
She's a youthful 40. But even so, Debbie Marshall worries about time leaving its mark.
And right in here, the little frown lines, which aren't...
She's decided to do something about it.
More of a youthful look, just to kind of give me a little bit more fullness in my face. And as far as a facelift, scares the heck out of me.
She's about to try something completely different.
I am taking fat from my own body, which makes me feel very comfortable. I'm not putting something foreign into my lips or my skin.
Call it fat recycling, taking a little from the buttocks, abdomen, or thighs and injecting it into the face. Plumping up a face can make you look younger because as we age, our faces literally shrink.
It almost collapses, almost like air out of a balloon. And what was full-cheeked and full eyes becomes hollowed eyes and very gaunt cheeks.
Putting a little unwanted fat to good use isn't a new idea, but in the past it never really worked very well. And that's because fat is fragile. Removing it, then re-injecting it, damaged it. New surgical techniques mean fat is back in cosmetic surgery.
And we just got to get the fat out of there and get it up into your face, okay?
Gone is the old sharp suction method of removing fat. Instead, plastic surgeons use a transplant needle that's blunt-tipped and allows fat to be removed intact. For Debbie, this is painful. A personal trainer, she's more muscle than fat, and removing fat from her buttocks is difficult. After it's removed, the fat is purified.
We spin it down, take away all the contaminating elements.
Fat is then layered into her cheeks, brow, and lips. It will take 3 weeks for the swelling to subside. After laser surgery to smooth lines around her eyes, the transformation is complete. And Debbie says it was worth it.
Everything turned out just the way I wanted it to. You know, I'm very pleased with it. All the changes are subtle.
How long will the new look last?
Over a few years, the fat will tend to shrink, or the elements of your face will droop over the fat, and you may need to have it done.
But for an increasing number of women, the body's own fat reserves are a newly discovered fountain of youth. Linda Boyle, Global News, Toronto.
So you think Bill Gates owns some impressive real estate?